Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you are new here, you're very much welcome. And new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to share how I clean my makeup brushes, as I promised in the previous video, and a hack on how I store my makeup brushes, because these things are expensive, so you don't want to risk them getting spoiled. You don't want to search them when you want to use them. You just want to make your life easy so that you can just grab when you're doing your makeup and then and continue. So please stay tuned, and if you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button as always, so that when I upload you get notified. Stay tuned, guys.
So guys, here are the brushes. You can see how dirty they are. They actually really need a thorough cleaning, and we're just going to start cleaning these brushes. I store my brushes in this container. What you see here, just a deco stones mixed with rice, and I just got away with that. And then I took this glass vase and I add some water. Then I'm going to add dishwashing soap, just a little amount. And then finally I'm going to add like 2-3 spoons of vinegar, of cleaning vinegar, or just the kitchen vinegar, the apple cider vinegar, whatever you have. Then just go ahead and stir the mixture together just to make sure that the products are well mixed. And then take your brushes and put them upside down. You don't wanna spoil your wooden part of your brushes, so make sure that you don't soak the wooden part. Then finally, after you have all your brushes inside, let this soak for around 20 minutes. Actually, this is just to make sure that the product just to soak so that the cleaning becomes easier. So now we are going ahead to clean every one of the brushes. I still added some dishwasher soap because the mixture that I prepared was just not enough to remove all the dirt from the brushes, all the makeup. As you can see, it's not really becoming clean as I want it, so I went ahead and took a little bit of the dishwasher soap in my hand and just rub, and you can see it looks much better than before. And actually the process continues for every brush. You just have to be very careful not to spoil the hair of your brushes, because that's the main thing. That's why I just wrap them on my hand and I don't use any other, as you can see here, I just add a little soap and then wrap them on my hand, and the whole makeup just go away. And then rinse them properly with main water, rinse, and then it becomes clear. You can see some brushes were really dirty, and the fact that I'm dark, so my makeup are always dark, so even looks worse. But honestly speaking, it's been a long time since I cleaned them, so that is why you see that they are really dirty. Some are dirty depending on how much I use them, some are less dirty. Yep. Then just continue with the process, making sure that you really rinse your brushes properly, and then just place them into their shape, just place them in a way that you want them to dry finally. So that is why you just have really to pull the hairs of the brushes in front and put them in the right shape actually. As for the sponge, guys, I really wanted to remove all the stains from the brushes, or rather just to remove all the makeup from the brushes, and the soap was not doing so much justice. So what I did, I took this product from MAC. I actually normally use this product when I just want to quickly clean maybe one brush or two, but this time I just needed to soak this I needed to soak these sponges for a short time before I clean them, and I really needed them to remove a lot of stains, because I still think they might be carrying a lot of bacteria. You know, you always reuse them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And actually one go of soap was of the product was not enough, so I went ahead and took the soap as well, and so on. But at the end of the day, I had really good results. Finally, when I was done, this is how I placed the brushes to dry. Some of them I actually just took the comb and brushed them so that they really get their shape back, and when they dry, they dry in good shape. And now, guys, let's come to the hack of storing the brushes. This is an old hack, actually. It's a grandmother hack, but for me, it works perfectly. I threw away the rice that I had before. I washed this container and then I added rice. You can add until to the middle of the container so that at least the brushes don't move around. And then go ahead and place your brushes just the way you like them to be. And that's what I'm doing here. Actually, this is a hack that I've been using for so many years and it works perfectly for me. I don't know if I'll ever change these, but maybe I'll change. If you guys have an idea on how I could possibly store my brushes better than I'm doing, please leave me a comment and let me know. But I personally, I find this hack very simple, very cheap. Apart from using the rice, it's very cheap, so and works perfectly for me.
So guys, we have come to the end of this video. It was not a long one, it was a short one. So I hope you enjoy. Stay blessed and see you in my next one.